Just have a look at the range. So big, and you can make it even bigger, more than 10,000 points in Nifty. It's no joke of any kind. Also, you can increase your profitability with the adjustments which I told you. One thing is almost certain, that is peace of mind. Option trading isn't just a skill, it's a declaration of your independence from financial insecurity. And today, I'm going to give you a leap strategy so good that the range will help you relax in the markets, even in the most crazy times. Lions don't chase, they leap. And we're going to talk about a leap option strategy. Smart knowledge for smart money for smart traders. The age old number one retail people problem. Let me show you what exactly I mean. This is where the market is currently 24,400 roughly. Market is hovering around. Every retail trader want one thing. They see the chart which is of index Nifty. You see that market from here has really jumped here in a shortest amount of time possible. We are talking about a move of 2500 in a short amount of time. Everyone has a regret that I wish that there is a system in which we'll be able to buy and capture moves like this. Now everybody wants market to again come down to around 22,000 levels so that they can buy, they can long their stocks, or they can long Nifty Bs, or they can long the futures. But now it's too late because Nifty has already moved up. Now if you are a busy working professional, I must tell you, in options trading, you don't need to work hard. You need a solid system which makes an income for you passively without getting engaged with the market on a day-to-day basis if you don't have time. We're going to talk about a leap option strategy in which even if market crash this much or even crash more, you're going to have a rock solid confidence because the kind of advantage a leap option gives you, other methods don't even come close to it. So here we are on December option, which is very far. Currently it's May running right now. What we have to do, we have to make sure that even if market go up, we capture certain amount of profit. If market stay where market is, we should be in profits. If market go down and fall, which is a great thing for us, then we can definitely long Nifty. So we try to win in each situation. Step number one, we got a long a 25,000 call because in long term, we expect market to go up. I want you to pay really close attention to this and don't watch this video just like any other video because option trading is all about hacks and tricks which other people are not really aware of. Now, what do we do after that? We go to a 28,000 call which is out of the money and we sell this. 5 lots is what we can sell here. Done. So you long and you shorten. But now on the put side also we have to do certain things. Now we have to go on 20,000 put. You heard it right. 20,000, which is 5,000 points down. And we look to sell this. We are selling this 3 lots. And when we do this, something very interesting gonna happen if I'll show you. And this is how this looks at the moment. Now certain things should really jump out and pop out for you. Also, I'm going to tell you adjustment as well. Now you see, when you do something like this, one thing is for sure that even if market stay where market is, we expect to make around 18,600 if you do not do any adjustments. I'm going to tell you the adjustment anyways. But one thing should really catch your attention. That is, have a look at the break evens. The break even on the downside is 19,900. Let me show you on the chart where exactly this one is. Remember, this is not about getting rich quick scheme or anything of that sort. It's about never feeling powerless again when you're trading into the markets. Market is here. I told you the break even is really down and the chart is ending at 21,000. This was the last fall which all of us encountered. But what we have to do, we have to see. So if market fall more, 19,900, we can go more down and more down and more down. And here this is going to be your break even. You see where my cursor is. The chart is ending completely. And market, this is 19,900. Let me mark it for you so that you have certain kind of a visual reference for you, like I told you. And here, 19,900, gentlemen, this is where if market go down below this by December, only then. And tell me one thing, won't you love to long Nifty if market comes to this mouth watering level? 19,900. Everybody will love to accumulate Nifty. Here, there are many ways to do it. The Corona fall was once in 10-year, 20-year opportunity. People who grabbed it, they grabbed. People who missed it, they missed it for life. But we cannot just wait and for market to fall. What if market don't fall? What if market stay where market is, which is around 24,000? In that situation, you don't want your money to be sitting idle in your trading accounts. Even if market stay where market is, very intelligently, we are still making a pretty good profit of 18,600. And there are tricks by which how you can really improve it. I'm going to share with you. I try my best to share whatever I can over YouTube, but you do understand that I have certain limitations. It's also about the peace of mind and the power which one feels into the markets. Now let's talk about what if market starts to go up. In that situation, what is going to happen? Now you see this steeper curve which you see. If market go up, there are very high chances that we expect to make a really good amount of ROI. Why? Because market only after breakouts go very fast and rapid up. In normal usual situations, after a big bullish move, what are the chances that market will just triple the or double the move what market showed? The chances are very thin. Plus, every day the theta is gonna get decay. Theta decay is in favor for us, because if market starts to go up and start to climb the ladder till 28,000, market is 24,400, till 28,012, there is no issue in a strategy like this. Now I'm sure what you must be wondering, how to increase your profit even more. I'm going to tell you that in the VIP points. Go up, you win. Go down, you win. Huge, big range and working professional. Absolutely love it. For people who don't want to do a lot of adjustments, like I've been getting comments, you want to learn something, give me one strategy which does not require any adjustments. Here it is for you. But there are VIP points for people who want to adjust the trade. What if market go down? First of all, I want to tell you this. If market go down, this is the best situation for us. If we are into the trade and market is falling like a knife, you are already ready with this. We can completely square off your trade and long futures. 3 lots, probably 4 lots, one can do it. After such a steep fall, when all the political tension is behind us, it can be a real golden opportunity. You should be absolutely ready with your plan B, which I told you. Obviously, can market just keep on falling and market will reach here? The chances are very slim, but you should be ready mentally when you enter into a trade like this, or any option strategy for that matter. If you don't have system, you can get system. It's always about learning and getting better at it. When to book profits is what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to tell you adjustments as well now. First of all, if market doesn't move anywhere, we're getting 18,000. Now this 18,000, the 50% of it, that means 9,000 of a profit, you don't have to wait for 4 months for that. That profit gonna come very fast, because these puts which you sold, as you can see over here, this put you've sold 4,500 points down. In just matter of a month, high chances that either the puts or either the call will only have 50% value remaining. That means 50% of 18,000 you're gonna get within a matter of maybe 2 months, right? Because VIX is also high. VIX is expected to cool off, which is really good for our options which we sold really far out of the money. Then obviously what we can do is very intelligently we can move our strike from 20,000 to 21,000. On the call side as well, from 28,000 you can move to 27,500. By shifting your strike, your ROI is jumping up. From 18,000, we can definitely go and target around 45, 50,000 as well. You can be a little aggressive on the call side because you already longed a call. This is good. Every month, we can do a one adjustment, bring your strikes 500 point closer. Beautiful. That's how you could really trade passively. Now, in terms of profit booking, what you can do is market expect to go up in long term. Correct? What is long term? Leap option strategy is a long-term option strategy. That means if market just stay where market is for a couple of months, after that market starts to go up. This is where we want, because there is no limit to profit. You could see, gentlemen, I mean, the peak profit is around 2 lakh plus. I'm sure you can notice this. One can play this much better than any retail trader can even think of. While everyone is hoping to make the right move, you already have pre-calculated your profit booking techniques and your adjustments, because you are not trading inferior. You are trading not one level but many levels above. It's about being more knowledgeable, having much better techniques to trade into the markets. That's the exact reason why I say hit and trial way of trading one must completely avoid. So many stop losses a trader give it to the market. It's better to use that one stop loss for yourself to try and get access to better stuff. You can elevate your trading game, you can learn the craft in record time, get in touch to learn in depth. Just drop a message, you can get details directly from the team. I'm sure you must have learned something really solid. We break down the strategy, we dig deep down, we discuss about the plans, we discuss about the profit booking technique, we discuss about the range can be so wide that it gives you a lot of peace of mind. That's it from me today. I'm sure you must have enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, and like I always say, you are going to do so well in trading, you will surprise everyone.